She comes on the stand and under questioning by Karen Reed's defense attorney, Alan Jackson, she says she never said that.
Did you observe something in the Sallyport garage on January 29th, 2022 that you found unusual, that stuck out in your mind?
Given factual information that makes it so I know I did not, no.
Okay, so the background of that is Alan Jackson's just asking her straightforward, what do you remember about this incident? And she's now saying, oh, well, she looked at her shift times. She was doing overtime. And so she was confused. She was confused about the fact that she was even there.
The answer is no.
Correct.
Do you remember being interviewed on August 9th, 2023?
I do.
That was by a separate law enforcement agency, correct?
Yes.
And so that's where we're dancing around FBI. We're not allowed to say that in the court.
Two separate law enforcement agents, is that right?
Yes.
And you were advised during the course of that interview on August 29th of something, correct?
Can you rephrase
I'm sorry,
that?
August 9th.
So what was I advised of? Can you rephrase that?
Sure. Were you advised that lying to those officers would be a crime?
So it was a willing conversation. I've spoken with their legal team. Because of the fact I was providing factual information that showed a statement of mine was a false memory, it was not a lie.
Note that that was not an answer to the question. That was not directly answering his question. What she's trying to say is, I don't want to tell you, and I'm going to make it as difficult. Do you remember Justin Welcher and Yuri Buchanan and how argumentative that they were with Alan Jackson and the other attorneys on the defense team? Well, watch this.
Therefore, I made it in good faith, and I retracted given information that it could not be accurate.
Ms. Denver, did you understand my question?
Yes, I did. You threatened to charge me with perjury during our phone call prior to the first trial if I didn't lie on the stand right now. I'm telling you, I did not see anything. Factually, I've been provided evidence by a timeline that it is not correct.
So what she's trying to say is that, she gave a statement to the FBI, that other law enforcement agency, that she saw Berkowitz and Higgins in the Sallyport because she was working dispatch and she could see all the monitors of everything inside of the Canton police station. And so what she's trying to say now is, oh, well, that was a false memory because I was later told that my shift ended earlier. So that's what she's trying to get us all to believe.
My question was this. Were you advised that it was a crime to lie to those law enforcement agents? Yes or no?
No.
That's kind of difficult to believe because it's pretty standard practice. Anybody that follows the FBI or reads anything about the FBI, before you talk to the agent or agents, that is one of the first things that they tell you is that, you know what, we are FBI, and if you state mistruths to us, if you lie to us, you can be criminally prosecuted. So this just draws this whole line of questioning and answers into question.
They never told you, they never admonished you that it would be a crime to lie to them?
Objection.
Sustained. As to form, Mr. Jackson.
Sure. Did they advise you of anything? Any consequences of lying to them?
So we had a willing
That's
conversation.
yes or no?
I don't recall.
So, okay, there's your answer.
So now, keep listening as we go through this witness on the stand. The judge just gave her an out to everything where she's floundering around. She doesn't know exactly what she's going to say. If she says, I don't know or I don't remember, there's your answer. Move on, Mr. Jackson.